What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a vise review. Just first impressions, nothing too elaborate. I picked up a couple of Mlock 125 Slims. These are what they call the baby version, but they're pretty damn robust, I guess is a good enough word. Anyways, stay tuned. Not going to be anything fancy, just a quick once over. I'll do a more in-depth review once I get my machine here. Should be a couple of weeks or so. Just left the Panama Canal, on its way to New York, then on its way to Boston. Anyways, stand by. Here comes the fun. Okay, so what we have here is Mlock 125 Slim, made by ASI Mechanics. Completely different kind of vise. You've probably never seen anything like it. Lots of cool features. It's made out of tool steel. I believe it's P20 down here. This thing just feels absolutely amazing. This is how you tighten the jaws. This is the hold down kit. Extra set of jaws. These are smooth jaws. Hardened tool steel. These jaws are the stepped jaws, which I put one set on. I can zoom in on those. These things are very cool. Now, I'll show you how you actually adjust them. These are the adjusting Allen screws. Put your thumb there, lift up on this, boom, slide anywhere you want to go. Lock it in place, tighten up. They have about 11,000 pounds of clamping pressure. And you can move the fixed jaw wherever you like. So you can have it centered. Now let's do this one here. So, loosen this up. Didn't bring any parallels over. That's pretty good. Doesn't take much force. Boom, locked into place. Of course, it'll be a lot easier to do when it's on the machine. Nice hold downs. Bolt it down to the machine. Anywhere you want. There's also a pallet system you can get for these. These come right off, pallet slides right in, lock it down with 2 bolts. You are good to go. There's a little shot of how the jaw works. They're held in with big T-bolts. Teeth lock into these grooves. It's all pre-hardened steel. It's all machined in a hardened state. Finish is just unbelievable for not being ground. They feel like they've been ground. This is as cut off the machine. Incredible. They also make regular, what they call a 125 Mlock. It's probably 3 or 4 inches bigger. The base is taller. It's more rigid, if you can believe it needs to be more rigid. You could, this thing is unbelievably rigid as it is. And there's also a dual station version where this part is in the middle. You have fixed jaws at either end. Pull the ends in, lock down 2 pieces at the same time. The pallet system will just be undo 2 Allen bolts, slide it off, slide a new one in, registers. They can also be ordered drilled and tapped on the ends. You can use them on tombstones. You can bolt them back to back and make a tombstone out of them. Show you how that would work. Not going to see much with the overhead, but you kind of get the idea. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, they'll tell 2 friends. Just a really, really unique vise. And the fact that you can quick twist, go from there. Oops. Quick adjustments, no spinning a handle. Go right where you need to go, clamp it down, tighten it up, and you're moving. We're also coming out with 5th axis setup, or 5-axis vices, smaller versions. He's got a whole bunch of stuff in the pipeline. Stay tuned for that. Anyways, I get my machine, hopefully 2 more weeks. I'll have these babies mounted in. We'll measure them for height differences, variations, line everything up. We'll also put some parts in. We'll check for vice lift when we're tightening it down. See how that works. I don't see it moving, but time will tell. Stand by. Videos are going to start coming as soon as the machine gets here. Anyways, hope you like that. Over and out.